Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're doing another collab with Born Pretty, and today we have 6 fall colors and a metallic gel to try out. So I'm pretty excited to get into this, and I won't lie, obviously it's mostly because of the metallic gel why I'm excited, but I still am pretty excited because this is Born Pretty, and thank you so much to Born Pretty for reaching out to me in the first place, obviously, and sending me this beautiful gel polish kit with this metallic gel. If y'all don't know, I am an affiliate with Born Pretty, so I do have a code for 10% off, and that goes for any products on their website. I'm not 100% sure if it works on their Amazon store, but I do know it works on their website. And yeah, so Nails by Tasia for 10% off. It's in my description, and it's just my channel name, so I feel like that's pretty easy to remember. But here are all the beautiful polishes we have to try out today, and unfortunately I only used like 2 of these today. Like, I wanted to use more than that, obviously, but like I didn't know what to do, and I'm not like comfortable with fall colors like browns and oranges. Like, I never use those, so I didn't know what to do. But now opening up this metallic gel is very beautiful. As you can see, it's like a mirror-like finish, and I noticed that it's not sticky when you cure it, so you don't even have to put a top coat. But I did end up putting a top coat, and I think that if you don't put a top coat, it turns out to be more shiny, like more like a mirror finish than if you were to put a top coat. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But I'm just going to be swatching all the colors right now, and I'm not going to be doing any second coats or anything, but that's just because I don't have any swatch sticks. So my swatch stick is literally my nail. So enjoy the swatches, and I'll come back when it's time to do the nail art. And we're going to do something very simple today because, once again, I did not know what to do. Also, I apologize if you can hear my cat scratching at my door. This color has to be my favorite in the whole entire kit. Also, I apologize about the audio if I like start off like really loud, but yeah, there's a color with these golden flakes. I'm going to be using it today. It's like they literally put those gold flakes that you use for like gold foils and stuff in the gel polish, and it's so pretty. Like, it is the prettiest, and I think it kind of like looks like golden fall leaves. It is the perfect fall color. So yeah, I'm gonna be reaching for that today, and probably more often, like in doing fall sets. So for swatching this metallic gel paint, I'm just grabbing like pretty much any flat brush in my nail art brush collection and just using it. Like, I don't know how to like properly use this for real. I think this is it, like, honestly. And today the way I used it, I just did like an outline French tip. So yeah, nothing too special, but that's that with one coat, by the way, and that's how it looks with one coat. I think that's really, really beautiful. So today I'm doing stiletto because I just felt like it. And I'm going to start off, and all the nails are going to pretty much be the same. I didn't want to do that, but that's how it is for this video. I'm going to start off with this color, and I'm going to just do one coat of this. And then we're going to use that beautiful, what is it? Oh yeah, that gold foil color. And yeah, then we're going to do the metallic French tip. So stick around to see how I did that. As you can see, the gold foils are like kind of sparse, and like if you wasn't me, then you would be okay with that, but I'm me, so I need more. So I did end up doing 2 coats of this, and that just gave it a really nice, beautiful fall. Like it kind of reminds me of fall leaves, honestly. Like, beautiful color. Plus I've never seen a color like this. I feel like I have, but rarely. So yeah, I really love this color. Let me know what y'all think of this color below, because it's my favorite in this kit. So time to do this French tip, and I'm starting off by just grabbing a small amount. I'm making sure like not the least amount, but just a very small amount of it gets on my brush, and I'm using a really skinny detail brush that I had to cut in order to make skinny. I got it off of like Ramwi or Shein or something, and obviously I had to cut it to actually make it usable, which I'm embarrassed to admit I didn't realize I could do that until like very, 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 very recently. But anyways, I'm just doing a regular French tip outline, and then I'm going to take this across the whole nail all the way up to the actual free edge, and then that's it. That's going to be the design. And you could top coat before this and do the design, or top coat after. It doesn't matter, but I'm pretty sure that the silvery part comes out more of like a mirror finish if you top coat before. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of my nails and let y'all sit back and enjoy the process. And yeah, like, I guess I'll just do my outro here because I have nothing else to talk about, honestly. Well, I guess I'll pop back in at the end and tell y'all what I thought about these polishes and everything, and let y'all know, like, my final thoughts. So I'll be back when that's happening, and let the rest of y'all enjoy. Not the rest of y'all. Like, what? I'm just struggling. Bye, y'all. So we're on the last nail here, and yeah, this is gonna pretty much be the set. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all like these nails and the polishes. In my opinion, these polishes are really pretty. This is like a really pretty simple fall gel polish kit that will probably do you over. Like, you probably wouldn't need any other like fall colors when it comes to gel polish. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and unfortunately I couldn't find my Born Pretty top coat. I like literally couldn't find it. But remember, Nails by Tasha here for 10% off. My socials and everything I used is linked below. And thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.